Good morning and welcome back. Today we will enjoy our lesson number 6 line to line. Lesson number 6 popcorn. Now children, you all are requested to take out your English textbook page number 69 and put your fingers on your line. Is that clear? Shall I start? Yes. Corn or maize is known by different names. It is called corn on the cob, Indian corn or sweet corn. Now children, that you already know, corn is also known as cob and maize and sweet corn also. People in South Africa call it maize. South African people called it maize. Popcorn is a type of corn. It has small grains. The grains are very hard. When you heat them, the kernels in the corn expand and go pop. Now, you already know that popcorn is a type of corn. It has small grains. The grains are very hard. And when you heat them, the kernels means the inner part of a seed. It come out and expand and go pop. Now children, come on page number 7070. Do you know how to cook popcorn? Here given process of how to cook popcorn. Take a little cooking oil and pour it in the pot. Plop in the corn you want to cook and wait until hot. Means first of all you have to take a little cooking oil and pour in the pot. Some pot is there. First of all you have to pour the cooking oil in it. And then after you have to wait until the pot is hot. Then next what you have to do? Pop goes the first kernel. Pop goes the next. Then pop, pop, pop go all the rest. Now means first of all you have to wait till hot. Then after you have to see. First of all one pop goes the first kernel means come out from the things. Pop goes the next, one by one all now plop, plop, pop. You can see in this picture. Then all the maize, all the corn come out of pop, pop, pop. Understand children? Plop means pour something so that it makes a short sound. That fat, that voice is coming now, that is called plop. Now come on page number 71. Look at an uncooked grain of popcorn. Now see children, these all are grains of popcorn. From it we can make popcorn. Do you understand children? It is also a grain. Okay? Now, it is quite hard. It is yellow in color. You can see that color of this corn, and also it is very hard. Then how does it become such a tasty white puff on cooking? Then how it become a tasty popcorn? Let's know about it. There is water in the kernel of a popcorn. Means in the corn of popcorn there is some water. When you cooked in dry heat, the water inside the kernel gets very hot. That you already know. And turns into steam. Means you must have seen boiling water at your home. If you put something on the gas and wait for something, then it will boiling na. Same manner it will boil. The pressure of steam becomes increases. It pushes the hard cover and to get out at last the steam break the cover open. Means from this, when you give heat to this, then it will come out. It will वो फूट जाएगा, तो उसमें से क्या आएगा? पॉपकॉर्न बाहर आएगा. Now you have fluffy pops on popcorn. You can see the picture of that popcorn. See children. The yellow color has turned into lovely white color. Now you already know the color of popcorn is white, but the color of corn is yellow. Now children, come on page number 72. Now children, these all are your word meanings, okay? So do you understand this? Now add a little melted butter and some salt. Now you can also add some butter and some salt in this. Then after you can enjoy eating the popcorn, and it looks very tasty. Sit down with your friends and enjoy a nice snack time. Have you also enjoyed, children, popcorn? I think you enjoyed. Okay, goodbye.